going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be starting the interior cage on the Viper. I did go ahead and put the top down, took the shop vac, just kind of quickly cleaned it out here, just to kind of keep our messes contained. So here is the process now. So basically, I got a measurement. We're going to be coming through this body hole right here. It is going to be sleeving into 1.5 inches where the stock roll bar goes. So basically I already made my little pieces here, which are going to be our lower sleeves. I do have to make that more of like an oval, so I drill 2 holes and I have to kind of finish cutting it all open. But basically those pieces are going to drop into the holes here, so they're down behind the body panel, and then I'm going to sleeve over top of them. Those are basically going to go up about 6 to 7 inches and then over 45 inches and down. So that's going to be our main hoop, and then obviously we're going to start branching everything down up forward into our A-pillars. So I'm going to go ahead and get this first pipe cut out and get some bends in it and get it all in place. Alright, so quick little update on the Viper. Our roll bar is done. As you can see here, they all have the little slide in, bolt in sleeves that go where the factory roll bar goes. So right in these holes, so we have all these holes opened up, cleaned up to fit for the bigger 1 3/4 inch pipe. So basically we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop it in place, put all our bolts in and bolt it down for the final time. And then we're gonna start running all of our A-pillar bars. Let's go ahead and let's throw it in. Alright, so we do have the A-pillar bars in. Nice and close, tucked real close. You can see everything down in here. Super tight tolerances along the side. Got everything nice and tight and as close as we could here. So let me open the door here, give you a better angle. It goes all the way down here to the frame. So just barely kisses the bar there. And then show you guys in here. Nice, tight, close all the way down. All right, so now that we have the main hoop, which is technically considered your B pillar, goes forward and down into your A pillar here. What's next is we're gonna go ahead and do the windshield, top of the windshield bar. That's gonna just hug the top inside here. Basically gonna go right here, just where the rear view mirror is gonna go. We do have to work around and leave room for the convertible soft top latch. So I'm gonna tuck it probably just forward, just in front of all that, so that way the latch mechanism and everything will still properly work. And then as far as the rear view mirror, hopefully we can just mount it just below the bar here on the glass, on the new glass, once that comes in. All right, everybody, check it out. So I do have the crossover bar done. I did put it back here a little bit because it needs to clear the latch, but it is inside here over your head. So it's kinked up a little bit in the middle. It's like a 15-degree bend, just to tuck it up into the curvature a little bit, keep it out of your vision. So, and then I did slap a bar down the center there. So I'll show you guys here. You can kind of see, matches the roof line a little bit. I like it because it clears the top as it cycles through. Let me see if I can show you. All right, let's see if I can give you guys, I got one hand, so I'm pulling it a little bit crooked. But as you can see here, let me move you in. The center clip, the roof, everything just clears. And then right there, the little latch just barely kisses. So then you do have to click it forward just to get it to clear here the way that it pushes forward. So let's see if I can get you a better view here. So, but it basically just goes down, just clears. So everything is in there, everything is good, nice and tight.